Navigating no's. Denying permission in English. Hello, learners. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on a rather sensitive aspect of communication: denying permission. It's essential to know how to do this both formally and informally while maintaining respect and positive relationships. Let's dive right in to learn the best ways to express refusal or denial of permission in the English language. When you're in a professional setting, such as at work or school, or talking to someone you don't know very well, it's crucial to be polite and formal when denying permission. The phrase, "I'm afraid," is commonly used as a polite way to begin a denial of permission. Contrary to what you might think, this phrase has nothing to do with fear. Instead, it is used to express regret or disappointment. For example, "I'm afraid that's not possible." "I'm sorry, but I can't permit you to do that." Notice that in formal situations, it's also common to provide a reason. This helps to soften the refusal and shows respect for the person asking. For example, "I'm sorry, but due to company policy, I cannot allow you to do that." In more relaxed or familiar settings, with friends or family for instance, you can use informal language when denying permission. You'll often find that contractions, like can't, instead of cannot, and colloquial language are used. Here are some examples. "Sorry, you can't do that." "Nope, that's not gonna work." While being informal, it's still important to maintain a respectful tone. Remember, informal doesn't mean rude. To get a real feel of how to use these phrases, let's look at some role-playing exercises. For each scenario, think about whether a formal or informal response would be most appropriate and then try crafting your own denial of permission. Scenario 1. A colleague asks to borrow your laptop over the weekend. Scenario 2. Your little brother wants to play with your new camera. Scenario 3. A stranger on the street asks to use your phone. Take a few minutes to pause the video and try this out before we move on to the conclusion. And that's a wrap. We hope this lesson has given you a better understanding of how to deny permission in both formal and informal situations. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Being polite and respectful goes a long way in maintaining good relationships, even when you need to say no. Keep practicing, and you'll master these phrases in no time. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious. Happy studying, everyone!